Friends, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you my new song that I've created, what I've learned with it. So let's see whether this video is good enough for you and for me. I need some feedback from you guys because I'm new into music development, production, you can say music production. I want to learn new things. I've learned certain new things I'm sharing with you today through this video. I hope that I receive some feedback too from you. I hope it is like a win-win situation. So anyways, I'm just verifying whether I'm recording. Here it is. And let's get started with listening to this music. So I just paused the music because I wanted to speak in between. Sorry for that. Anyways, what I would say about this particular part, right? I've created some automations. You can see here there is one automation on the UEFI and one is on the cutoff. So this automation really helps in building up the tension in the song, and it enhances the drop, I must say that. So that is the key thing I learned, to enhance the drop. So I really like this type of trick. So you can use it for your own project too, maybe it will help. So anyways, let's continue hearing the song. So I just want to explain to you right now how I created the drop as in that pa, 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 pa. So I just want to explain to you that how is it done and how maybe you can use this trick in your project. So what I did is, first of all, I use some vocal like this particular one of these. I use one of the vocal, and I use some, I created like some vocal chops actually. If you zoom in here, you can see those vocal chops are there here. So there are like based on the tune of the song, I've just added vocal chops. So it was sounding okay. In the start it was sounding just okay, I would say. Then this is like what it was sounding before. I'm just turning that off and showing you. Let's see how it was sounding before. Okay, this is what it was sounding before, like. So I'll just go back to the mixer and show you what effects have I added to make it sound like that. So I've added this destructor plugin. It was available inside FL Studio. So I've just applied random, I have just like done something like randomly selecting some preset by selecting this. Now I won't change it because the tune will go away. So I've just selected that randomly, and this is what it sounds like now. Let's play it again. Okay, so hope that trick is like useful. There is some reverb also added. After the reverb, the destructor plugin is being used. This is the destructor plugin. It really enhanced the drop. It made it really interesting in my opinion. First just the vocal chops were sounding like too plain. It was sounding like okay, it was sounding but not so good, in my opinion. In your opinion, what you feel, just mention in the comments. Okay, then I have just repeated the tune somewhat. I have created more automations to make the clip more interesting, and yes, I've added some more extra beats like here and there, created like small layers, that is like basic. But main thing about this project, I created like more automation clips, and I've experimented with new plugins. So I'll just play the song once and for all so you can hear it properly from start to end, okay, without me interrupting you. Let's see. Riser. Chi chi chi. So that was it for the song. At least the biggest takeaway I would give you maybe for this song is to create many more automation clips that really affect the tune of the song, and reverb and other parameters you can tweak for yourself. It really creates an interesting effect in the sound. Also, yes, try to create a layer drop and add vocal chops. I just love, like, I mean, the sound of it. Add this destructor plugin and see what you can experiment and pass it through this filter, okay, whatever the audio clips are, just pass it through the destructor plugin. So I hope that this video was helpful enough. I mean, I am just new into audio developing and, I mean, audio production. So not earning money or anything. I'm just doing it for fun sake. Not like a really big professional or something, but I want to share whatever knowledge I have. So this was it. If you found it helpful, please mention your thoughts in the comment section. It will be good for everyone whoever is in this same category or same field. Maybe it might help. Anyways, peace out, take care. I hope you have a great day. I hope this video was helpful enough. Anyways, see you in the next video. I hope that I can share many more interesting tips like this. I'll be creating a lot of more videos based on the tracks I create, the same type of videos, so I can share my knowledge with you. For beginners, it may be helpful. If you have any doubts regarding this, mention them in the comment section. Anyways, peace out, take care. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.